Welcome to Vogler Ford's online inventory. This 2015 GMC Sierra 2500 has a 6.6-liter V8 Turbomax diesel engine, automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. This SLT series comes fully loaded, with heated leather seats, touchscreen BOSE stereo, power sliding rear window, and hands-free Bluetooth. The rearview camera makes parking and towing easy, and exterior running boards let you enter and exit this GMC in style. Come visit us in Carbondale, Illinois and take it for a test drive today.